and DMs that this grill needs to change. So we are pulling this off. We are redoing it. So we're going not with a shaved grill, but a open mouth type grill. So we're gonna shave this off. We're gonna leave it open here, and we're going to take a Dremel and go along the side. I couldn't be bothered with shaving it, and I like the open design. So that is what we are going to do. So don't worry, it'll change. I got absolutely destroyed in the comments and in my DMs about this, but all you're gonna need for this is a Dremel with some cutting blades. So it's right here. I ordered up, and then this is my Dremel. And I can link this one in the link below. I use this for like pretty much everything but cars, just like normal work. But this is it, the plug-in. It's pretty good. It comes with these, but I just went and bought these to go ahead and cut it. But it's pretty much all you're gonna need. So just kind of a before, you know, with the grill. Can't really see anything, all that. And then we'll do an after with this. The goal is to save this piece here. So we're gonna cut all along here with the Dremel. So we'll see how that goes. Alright. Safety glasses, you know, long as not. And we'll start on the lowest setting, which is like 5 to 10. And then we'll increase it as we go. No turning back. So that is the progress right now. There's still a ton to go. So I'm going to have to cut all this top part off. And then start cutting the back off. So just gonna give you guys a basic like understanding, right, on how you're gonna cut this out. Is you're gonna start with these little squares here and here, and you're gonna start there. And I just started cutting, so I'm gonna go all the way to the end, and this way, go all the way to the end, right? And then I'm gonna come up and connect it here, and then this should pop out.
The original.
Okay. Well, this definitely worked better to get the grill off. So that's that. So now this is what we're left with. So we gotta shave this off, and then that just kind of fits back on. So now we have to trim, make it look pretty. So that's gonna be fun, and that's the tedious part. So we gotta go through and get all of these. And then we have to knock this whole piece off here. And I might just take this angle grinder here and just bang it out just like this and take it all off. So I'm gonna do that and check back in.
Long shot.
Most part, it's done. Done as in cut out. It's a fucking disaster. But the next part is sanding and painting. So I have a orbital sander and pretty much just gonna go sand all around here and just clean up all the edges. Once that's sand, I'll take some finer grit sandpaper and then we're gonna paint it. So I don't know if it's gonna be in 2 parts or not. It's 104 degrees outside right now and I am toasted. So this might just be a part 1 and then I'll do a part 2 at a later date. But all the clips are still in, which is good. So kind of keeps that trim. It's not all the way in, but you know, that will push in. These will push in. And then this will all be sanded and painted, so it will mask off the bar and everything in the intercooler. But for the most part, that is how it will sit. I found it easier to actually just push it onto the car and just sand everything off that way. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding everything down. I did not get to fully sand or paint. That will be part 2, but I'll at least put out this one for the general idea of what to do, because I know that a company did sell this and they're out of order or out of stock for right now, and they wanted like $500 for it, which it is very tedious, but I don't know. 2 hours, that's all I had today, and just kind of, you know, put it together. All right, so part 2 will be out a couple days after the fact, but it's pretty much done. Like I said, all that's left is just sand and paint, but I appreciate everybody for watching. The recommendations, the car looks fucking insane right now, so I'll post this out, clip it down, make it short and sweet, and then I'll post the painting or sanding and painting. It'll probably be like a 5 or 6 minute video, just on what I do with the plastic. But yeah, it's just like 106 degrees out and I'm dead tired. So we're gonna leave it like this. It looks decent, 10 foot, but we'll clean it up. But appreciate you guys for watching, tuning in. And yeah, like always, any recommendations, anything you want to see me do to this car, just comment below, ideas or anything like that. And then my new wheels should be here on the 6th. So I will post those as well when I get them. But anyways, as always, appreciate the love, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.